All right, you're doing a great job by learning and coming to this point of the course. So now let us have a look at the different organizations which are in the security industry and providing services to the world by mitigating against the different cyber attacks. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is Women in Cybersecurity. So Women in Cybersecurity is an organization which was established by Dr. Ambareen Siraj of Tennessee Tech University through a national foundation grant with the collaboration of all the women, male allies, and advocates with a strong mission to introduce the women of the world in the field of cybersecurity. So, WICYS is an organization specially designed for women where recruitment, retention, and advancement of women in cybersecurity happens. The next is the SANS Institute, which stands for Sysadmin Audit Network Security, which was launched in 1989 as a cooperative for information security thought leadership. So it is SANS' ongoing mission to empower cybersecurity professionals with the practical skills and the knowledge they need to make our world a safer place. So SANS has their own certifications, they have their own scholarships, they have their own degree programs, and even various certifications and resources to meet the needs of every cyber professionals. So the instructors you will find on SANS are highly qualified professionals. It's not like anyone can become an instructor when it comes to SANS, but they are really qualified professionals. The next is OWASP. The Open Web Application Security Project, OWASP, is a non-profit foundation that works to improve the security of software. Now, through community-led open source software projects, hundreds of local chapters worldwide, there are tens of thousands of members leading the educational and training conferences from OWASP. OWASP is mainly into the web domain, which provides the tools and resources, community and networking, and education and training of all the things which come under the web platform. Next is ISA, that is Information Systems Security Association, which is also an institute which deals with information security, and there is a college of information security, and it also provides information security resources. And then is FIRST, that is FIRST stands for the Forum of Incident Response and Security Teams, which is a premier organization and recognized global leader in information security incident response. The membership in FIRST enables incident response teams to perform more effectively and respond to security incidents following their own framework. Now, these were the organizations that work for security, and now these are the organizations that are very renowned for security education. The first is ISACA, which stands for Information Systems Audit and Control Association. ISACA is an organization which provides quality educational trainings to cybersecurity and information security professionals who want to excel in the field of audits and controls. So if you navigate into many job profiles, certifications from ISACA add a great value, and to be really honest with you, these certifications have more value than your actual degrees. Again, these certifications are very costly and very hard to crack. So, for example, if you want to crack the CISA certification, that is Certified Information Systems Auditor, you must study for at least 5 to 6 months properly before you can crack and pass the CISA exam. The next is ISC Square, which stands for International Information System Security Certification Consortium, which is again a non-profit organization which specialization is training and certifications for cybersecurity professionals. Their renowned certification is CISSP, that is Certified Information Systems Security Professional, which is very renowned. It's extremely renowned, and ISC Square has almost more than 150,000 members globally. Next is EC Council. Again, EC Council is an organization which provides training related to the hacking area. It provides in hands-on hacking practicals like CEH certification, then ECSA, that is EC Council Certified Security Analyst certification, hacking forensic investigation. So it's all related to the hacking part, whereas the ISACA and ISC Square are more of a management side. Again, CompTIA. CompTIA is a very good training organization which provides certifications right from basics of computers to the networks to the security, then the core security and pen testing. So it's a great certification provider when it comes to information security, and I recommend many students to check out their Network Plus and Security Plus certifications. And the last one is IAPP, that is International Association of Privacy Professionals. Again, IAPP comes under the management side domain, that is governance and compliance or data privacy. And these two, EC Council and CompTIA, are more into the hands-on practical things of security. So this one, and this one. If you go and check any profile on LinkedIn of a security professional having minimum of 5 years of experience, you will find certification from each of these certification bodies. So what I would suggest is, after taking this course, you should definitely prepare for EC Council's CEH certification, and then you should go for CompTIA's Security Plus. I'm not endorsing anyone. This is not a paid partnership or kind of video thing. I'm just telling you for the sake of your career. Okay. So this was all for this lecture, where we talked about the different organizations when it came to information security. In the next lecture, we'll have a brand new section. Well, can you guess? Okay. Hacking, malware, cyber attacks. Yes, we are going to see the different actors in cybersecurity. These are not the actors of Hollywood or Bollywood, but these are the actors of cybersecurity. Well, forgive me for lame jokes, but on a serious note, next section is going to be really very important. I want your eyes and ears open and your mind as well. Great. Keep the momentum going. I will see you in the next lecture.